Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so happy you are because we have a lot to do today. Here's the reality of the current situation. Today is Friday. I just arrived to work. Tomorrow's obviously Saturday. And then Sunday, my family and I leave for a trip, meaning I have some pack and prep to do. Normally, I wouldn't be super concerned. I've got a few days. I'm good to go. However, I discovered late last night that I think I'm going to end up needing to get the bulk of my pack and prep done today. This Sunday is Mother's Day, and we just made some very last minute plans with Hunter's mom to celebrate Mother's Day on Saturday, so she gets the full day. Even with it being tomorrow already, it's very last minute, so we don't have a set schedule really yet. So I'm not really sure. I don't have a full idea of how much time I have left. So the pack and prep starts today, and we're going to start with a sense of urgency. I still need to run to Target. I still need to show y'all some of the new clothing items I picked up. I still need to pack those clothing items. I need to pack my hygiene items. I need to do an everything shower. I need to shave my entire body. I need to do a pedicure and a manicure. I need to do all the things. Like, there's a lot to do. That said, though, I am of course in the office today. I was planning to be remote today, which would probably make this whole pack and prep a little bit easier, but I have two big events today that I need to help set up for and kind of manage. We're gonna make the most of it though. I think I'm going to have to run to Target over my lunch break. Maybe I'll get some more done, maybe I won't. It might lead into tomorrow and Sunday. I have no idea. I really intended for this to be very organized and well planned and very leisurely, but life doesn't always allow for situations to go the way we intend. So sorry for that. That's just the way this video is going to go today, but hopefully y'all enjoy, and let's head up to the office and get this workday started. Finally made it to Target. Not at the time that I planned. It is literally the very end of the workday, borderline dinner time, but it is what it is. We made it. Anyway, Hunter's waiting on me to start our PM routine, which consists of like a post-work walk, making dinner, and just hanging out together. But I want to give you a little haul of what I got. I only got a few things, but they were necessary. I am low on my women's multivitamin by Ollie, as well as the prebiotic and probiotic that Hunter also takes. And I want to bring supplements along on vacation, so I had to re-up on these. And then lastly, I just got two little cosmetic items for myself for the trip. I got the L'Oreal Telescopic Waterproof. I picked up the original Telescopic pretty recently, and I haven't put it down because I love it, but I wanted to make sure I had the waterproof version that could withstand the heat, the sweat, the water, all of the things I'm going to be dealing with on vacation. And lastly, for the longest time, I've been searching for the perfect baby pink color for a pedi, and I'm hoping I found it in the Sally Hansen gel in the shade Once Chiffon a Time 248. That's it for my quick little pre-vacay Target haul. I'm gonna head home now for the day, finally. Hopefully we'll get some clothing packing done together tonight, but don't get your hopes up. It may not happen. I'll see y'all at home. Hunter's mom, sister, and stepdad. It is currently 9 p.m. Now, for some people, this might not feel super late. You might be thinking, oh, you have plenty of time before tomorrow to get everything situated and finalized. I am not a night owl. I need my sleep to function properly, and today was an exhausting day. We did a lot of physical activity. We did some walking through a nice little garden. We did some mini golf. We did some pickleball, all under the heat of the sun. So I got a little bit of color on my face, which Love that. That kind of worked as a 2-in-1. I won't be stepping out onto the beach looking like a sheet of printer paper, so that's helpful. I'm getting ready to hop in the shower. I'll probably try to paint my toes and get a pedi done for tomorrow. We'll just have to see how I'm feeling. And as for actual packing, I think I'm going to have to do all of it tomorrow morning, on Mother's Day morning, and hope that it doesn't take me too long. I really just don't want to go into a trip feeling not well rested. So we're just going to see how I'm feeling throughout the rest of the night, see how much we can get done, see how much time everything takes. But for now, I'm going to hop in the shower and I will talk to y'all hopefully later tonight when we get some more things done. 2 Alanis in one video is absolutely unhinged. But anyways, it is Sunday today. I have my Sunday shirt on. All I have to do this morning is finish packing, and I have pretty much everything laid out that I'm planning to bring. I just need to actually put it into my suitcase and carry on. It's almost 10 a.m., so I need to get going. I will just say though, really quick, I did manage to paint my toes last night, but I'm pretty sure I basically passed out as soon as my head hit the pillow. So the polish didn't finish drying completely, and I woke up with like a crinkly finish on the polish. So I ended up just taking the toe polish completely off, and I'm going to have to redo it at some point today, or maybe just at the resort, who knows. But that's not a concern for right now. We just need to finish packing and then get out the door so we can enjoy Mother's Day with my mom and get going.